Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Azi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about isomer organization. Isomers is divided into two parts, stereoisomers and constitutional isomers. Stereoisomers, enantiomers and diastereomers. Diastereomers, geometrical conformational isomers, mesocompound and epimers. So I will start with the stereoisomers. Same bonding sequence, different arrangement in space. For example, this compound has two geometrical cis and trans isomers. Fumaric acid melting point 287 degrees Celsius, essential metabolite, and malic acid melting point 138 degrees Celsius, toxic irritant. Now chirality. Handiness, right gloves doesn't fit the left hand. Mirror image object is different from the original object. You can see in case of chair, in case of hand. So example of handed objects, your hand from previous slide, gloves, scissors, screws and golf clubs. How about molecules? Chemical substance can be handed. Handed substances are said to be chiral. Molecules that are chiral are non-superimposable on their mirror image. Now chirality in molecules. The cis isomers is a chiral and trans isomer is chiral. Enantiomer, non-superimposable mirror image, different molecules. One enantiomer form of limonene smells like orange, while its mirror image smells like lemons. The one enantiomer of carbon is the essence of caraway, and the other the essence of spearmint. Most molecules in the plant and animals world are chiral, and usually only one form of them enantiomers is formed. 19 of 20 known amino acids are chiral, and all of them are classified as left-handed. Chirality in molecule. The cis isomer is chiral, achiral, and trans isomer is chiral. Enantiomers, non-superimposable mirror image, different molecules. Same compound, cis-1,2-dichlorocyclopentane, achiral, and trans-1,2-dichloropentane, chiral. Stereocenters. Any atom at which the exchange of two groups yield stereoisomers. Asymmetric carbon, double bonded carbons in cis trans isomers. So this asymmetric carbon, chiral center, and this is double bonds. So mirror plane of the symmetry. If two groups are same, carbon is chiral, and a molecule with an internal mirror plane cannot be chiral. Example, internal mirror plane of symmetry here in cis. If there is no plane of symmetry, molecule may be chiral or achiral. See if mirror image can be superimposed. Now absolute configuration. What is absolute configuration? Called the Kahn-Ingold-Prelog convention. Different molecules, isomers must have different names. Usually only one enantiomer will be biologically active. Configuration around the chiral carbon is specified with R or S. CIP rule, again priority number to each group attached to the chiral carbon. Atom with highest atomic number assigned the highest priority. In case of ties, look at the next atom along the chain. Double the and triple bonds are treated like bond to duplicate atom. कि पहले आपको जितना ज़्यादा एटॉमिक नंबर उसको देखना है, उसके बाद अगर उससे टाइज कर जाए तो नेक्स्ट एटम को देखना है, फिर डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड को देखना है, Now assign R or S. Working in 3D, rotate molecules to that lowest priority group is in back. Draw an arrow from highest to lowest priority groups. Clockwise or counterclockwise. Now properties of enantiomers. Same boiling point, melting point density, same refractive index, different direction of rotation in polarimeter, different interaction with the other chiral molecules, enzyme, taste buds, scent. You can see polarizing filter, calcite crystal or plastic sheet. When two filters are used, the amount of light transmitted depends on the angle of axis. Polarimetry. Use monochromatic light, usually sodium D. Movable polarizing filter to measure angles. Clockwise dextrorotatory D or positive. Counterclockwise levorotatory L or minus. Not related to R or S. So biological discriminations are epinephrine, natural epinephrine, and S-epinephrine, unnatural epinephrine. Now racemic mixture. Equal quantities of D and L enantiomers, a 50-50 mixture. Notation D and L or plus minus. No optical activity. The mixtures may be different boiling point and melting point from the enantiomer. Fischer projection. Flat drawing that represent a 3D molecules. A chiral carbon is an intersection of horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal lines are forward, out of plane, and vertical lines are behind the plane. So view from this angle is lactic acid perspective drawing and is lactic acid Fischer projection. Fischer rules. Carbon chain is on the vertical line, horizontal bond pointing up with respect to the plane of the paper, vertical bond pointing down with respect to the plane of the paper, highest oxidized carbon at top, rotations of 180 degree in plane doesn't change molecules, do not rotate 90 degree, do not turn over out of plane. Now Fischer structure easy to draw, easy to find enantiomers, easy to find internal mirror plane. Example, you can see a meso compound. So Fischer R and S. Lowest priority usually hydrogen comes forward, so assign rules are backward. So clockwise 1 to 3 S and counterclockwise 1 to 3 is R. For example, here mirror image both would be R. Now diisomers. Stereoisomers that are not mirror image, molecules with two or more chiral carbon. Geometrical isomers cis trans since they are not mirror image. Cis to butene, trans to butene. Now ring compound. Cis trans isomer possible may also have enantiomers trans 1,2 dimethyl cyclopentate. You can see here internal presence of sigma. Two or more chiral carbon. Enantiomer, diisomers, meso, assign RS to each carbon. Enantiomers have opposite configuration at each corresponding chiral carbon. Diisomers have some matching, some opposite configuration. Meso compound have internal mirror plane. Examples: maximum number is 2 to the power n, where n is the number of chiral carbon. You can see here the meso compound contains two more stereocenters, a plane of symmetry. Now Fischer's Rosenthal conventions. Before 1950 only relative configuration could be known. Sugar and amino acid with same relative configuration as plus glyceraldehyde were assigned D and same as negative glyceraldehyde were assigned L. With X-ray crystallography we know absolute configuration D is R and L is S. No relation to dextro or levorotatory, meaning that some D enantiomers are and some are. Anyone who can look at the structure and determine which way it will rotate polarize receive a automatic Nobel Prize. There is a lot we do not know. So friends, you can see L plus glutamic acid, L plus glucose. Now properties of diisomers. Diisomers have different physical properties. melting point, boiling point. They can be separated easily. Enantiomers differ only in reactions with other chiral molecules and the direction in which polarized light is rotated. Enantiomers are difficult to separate. Now, resolution of enantiomers. Pasteur was the first to resolve the enantiomer mixture using a magnifying glass and tweezers. Animals can consume racemate and metabolize on the two enantiomers, while the other is recovered in their waste product. Chemical means described on the next slides. You see, they react racemic mixture with a chiral compound to form diastereomers, which can kill. So R2-butanol react with RR tartaric acid. So H2-butyl RR tartrate and tartaric acid, like that. Friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.